Hi everyone, welcome to Viz Domination. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get started with Blogger, Blogspot, a Google hosted platform. So today, you're going to learn on how you can create a blog. Maybe you want to start a blog and you want to write about different topics, but you've been looking for a way on how to start a blog online. So today I'm going to show you how to create an online blog for free using Blogger. Now, Blogspot is a platform that is owned by and hosted by Google itself. So it helps and allows you to create free blogs for you to be able to use it as your platform to post anything that you would like. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a blog professionally, and now let's get to it. Okay, so now what you are going to do, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to blogger.com, right? Blogger.com. Now, when you go to blogger.com, you will need to sign in. This is just the homepage for you. Everything just right there. You can take your time and read through. If you wish, you can publish your passions your way, create unique and beautiful blogs easily. So basically, this is like the homepage of the platform and all that. So now what you're going to do is you're going to smash that sign in button. So smack that sign in button. Now, for you to create a blog on Blogger, you need a Google account. You need a Gmail account, and I hope you already have created your Gmail account. And now, if you have a Gmail account, the process will be easier for you. After signing in from Gmail, it is going to bring you direct to Blogger, and it is going to ask you choose a name for your blog. Okay, now I might say this is a photography blog. Photography. Oh, you can be creative with your blog name, maybe photography blog, and you click next. It is asking you to choose a name for your blog. So you click next, and then here it is going to ask you to choose an address, like the URL for your blog. So you're going to write here your URL the way you want it to be. So it is photography, like that. Okay. So sometimes it is going to show you that, sorry, this blog address is not available, which means someone is already using that blog. So just be creative with your name, and then you can go on with the name that you have decided to choose. So the name of our blog is photography blog. So let's say photography tips, maybe photography tips, and see. Okay, photography tips blog, photography tips blog. Okay, this blog address is available, photography tips blog. So you come and click save. So when you click save, it is going to process, and this is how it is going to load. This is the page of your dashboard. So now you have now created your blog. So let us go on and see what is the design of the blog exactly. So to see the design of the blog, you're going to come down here and click on view blog. So when you click on view blog, it will open up a photography blog like that. The way you see, this is like just the default design, of your blog. So here you have already created your blog, and here you can see it says photographytipsblog.blogspot.com. So basically you have created your photography blog or your blog in any name that you'd want to use. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to customize this blog and make it look much better. And now what you do, first of all, let me try to show you the whole dashboard and the way it is. So here right, the first selection here is posts, and this is where you're going to add your posts, you're going to add your blogs. So this is the section where the blogs will appear. Then stats, this is like statistics, which people are following your blog, how many posts do you have, and how many comments you have. And it will also this will show how many views do you have on your blog. People will be viewing your blog, so it will be showing you statistical information of your blog, how many, which country, which devices are people using to view your blog, which posts are ranking higher on your blog. Then here in comments, you'll be able to view which comments, what comments people are adding on your blog. Then on earnings, you can also connect your AdSense to the blog. Here basically you'll be earning from what you write, you'll be earning from your blog site, so you can connect, and Google will be paying you money for you to be able to earn from your blog. So that is the earning part of it. These are the pages. You can add them the same way as the posts are. This is the layout. So the layout is kind of like the skeleton of the blog, how it is, the back end, basically. So here you have the theme. You can customize the theme. You can see there are very different templates that you can choose from. And then you have settings. You also have settings right here, and you can tweak the settings accordingly to what you desire your blog to be. Now, I'm going to show you first of all how you're going to change the design of your blog. So you come to theme, and then you come to this downer themes. Here we have contemporary themes. Right here you can see how they are designed. So you pick a theme that you feel matches with what you want, So I'm just going to go ahead and let me see which one can I pick. Let me pick this one. So after you picking the theme, you just contemporary dark. Okay, so you just apply this theme on your blog, and now it says new theme applied successfully. So let us reload it and also reload the main site. You can see your blog appearance has changed. Now I'm going to now show you how you're going to add posts, how you're going to add a post on your blog. So first of all, you need to create very unique content for you to be able to attract good traffic, and also people to be interested in reading your blog. So you're going to go to where it says new post. You click on new post, and then basically you're going to be on compose view. So where it says the title, this is where you're going to add the title of your blog. So let me go, and I have something here. So I'm going to just copy my title of what I've already written, and let me cancel this. All right. So I'm going to add the title right here. I'm going to add the title right there. Yes. And now the title of my blog, the post that I want to make, is 7 tips for better Instagram photos. Right. Now, I'm also going now to add in the body. Just like this. And then we are going to paste it right here. So you just copy. You've copied from the other side and you're pasting. So now basically, whenever I reach here, when you reach here, make sure you clear formatting from of your text, so that you can format the text the way you want it. If you have already, I just copied this blog from a different website just for training purposes, but you need to create your own unique content. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to select all and then clear text formatting. So if you are familiar with Microsoft Word, you will be able to understand these tools right here. So I'm going to select all my text, and I'm going to make it justified. So this is the aligning left, center, right, and justify. So I'm making my content justified. This is increasing the indent. This is bullet list, and this is number list, quoted text, and all that. So after making my text justified, I'm also going to go ahead and select a good font size. Here it says this is a font type. You can choose from any font type that you want for your blog post. And also here you can choose the font size. So I always use large because I want the text to be readable, to be readable on the website. So this is basically, let us say that this is your post that you've already written. So I'm just trying to format it so you make it bold wherever you want. This is bold. If you want to put a heading, major heading, subheadings, minor headings, paragraph or normal text, and this is bold. So you can format your text the way you want it. This is underline, this is italics, this is changing the color of your text, and this is adding a link to your text, and here is adding an image. Now after you've added the text, now we are going to go ahead and add the image, an image. So you just select where you want to have the image appear. So I want it to appear there, so I go to image and say upload, and then I say browse. Then I go into my computer and look for that image. Yes, and then I open it. It will load. Yes. Now that I have my image posted, I also have to format it in a better way. So most times I advise what you do after uploading your image: click on the image, go to the settings icon, and select original size. So when you select the original size, the image will be enlarged to its original size. If you leave it on that size, it will show on the blog, but it will not be in a good resolution. So just make sure that every image that you upload should be in original size. Then another thing, you have to make sure that every image you upload shouldn't be too big. When you post, if your post has large sized images, your site will not load faster. So for you to make your site load faster and to improve your search rankings, you have to post lighter images. I usually advise below 200 KB. That is fine. So now I can update this. I've selected it. Now you see it has enlarged it and put it in its original size. Now on your blog, you're going to also select the labels. Here you are trying to show the reader that this label is about Instagram photos or Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm going to just write a label of Instagram, so that when someone visits your website, they can easily associate, they can easily browse through the content that they want. So if they want content of photography for Instagram, they will just click on Instagram, and then they will get tips of photography for basically Instagram. So you have to make sure that you label your posts for a good user experience on your website, on your blog site. So now after you have done all this, just smash the publish button. You click publish and you click confirm, and now on the post here it shows that this post has been published. Let us go to our blog and reload and see if the post is actually there. All right, we can all see now that the post has gone live on our blog. We are now live on our blog with our post, and you can click on read more to see how it looks like inside. Yes, so this is our post now. We have successfully created and posted. So here is where the users will be able to comment on your blog right there. And then when they click notify me, definitely they will be notified each time they comment. They will be notified that you've commented on this specific blog post. And here is the search. You can search the blog. And then right this side we have a menu. So the menu like shows what who the author is and all that and stuff like that. So this is the step by step guide that you can start easily to create your blog post online. So if you have found this information and this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe and keep getting tips on Blogger and Blogspot tips so that you don't miss anything from this channel. So click subscribe and smash that notification button, and see you on the next video. Thank you.